Hey guys, it's Shay. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this episode. I feel like it's been a few weeks since I recorded. Things with just like work and business and home life have been so busy, so I haven't had a chance to just sit down and record. So this is going to be a really great video today. Let's go ahead and get into it. So one thing you may be noticing is that my background looks completely different, and that's because we're on staycation. Typically, I record YouTube videos in my office, but we decided to take the kids away for a few days for spring break. So we're staying at the Loft in Arundel Mills. We've stayed here quite a few times, so I will link below and then also share a blog post that I wrote on this location. The kids have been so excited since we checked in. They've just been like all over the place. But
he deserves this victory!
My husband just took them down to the pool so I can have a couple minutes. So I'm going to record this video, which I think you all will definitely enjoy. I decided to record this video because I received so much good feedback on the Coach Mini Pepper review. So I'm like, okay, let me share other bags that I love that are cute and affordable. And the bag that I will be reviewing today is the Minkoff Chevron Quilted Love Crossbody. So let's get into a little backstory in the bag. Last August, I was in the market for a new black purse. I have a couple, but I just wanted a new one that was like really sleek, clean, that I could wear out on the town, but then also to work, dress it up and dress it down. So I did a poll on Instagram because I was torn between two bags. I was torn between the Minkoff bag and then the Coach Pillow Tabby purse. Everyone pretty much voted for the Minkoff bag. And I agree with them because I feel like if you had to pick one, I feel like the Minkoff bag is just so classic versus the Pillow Tabby is a little bit more of a trendy bag. So once I decided that I was going to go with the Minkoff bag, I decided to do a bit of research. Typically, if I buy a purse, I'm not very impulsive. I like to sit with it for a bit, look up some reviews, look at the bag and see how people style it, and then decide if I'm going to go ahead and get the bag. Now, I'm not being dramatic, but I'm smiling because I absolutely love this purse. Of all my purses that I have, and I have a ton, this is one of my favorite bags ever. Like, hands down, I love this purse. So with this purse, the main challenge that I came across is that they have two sizes. They have this size and they have this small. So after I decided that I wanted to move forward with this bag, I decided to do a bit of research. Typically, if I'm going to buy a bag that's over $100, I like to sit with it for a bit, just so I'm not being impulsive. I do a bit of research, see how it's styled online, and then move forward. And the great thing about the website is that they had demos. So not just pictures, but actual videos showing people with the bag, showing the inside of the bag, what will fit in it. And I decided to go with the larger size. I absolutely love the trend. I have a ton of mini bags, but sometimes, like, even though they're cute, they're just not practical. Having a purse where you can barely fit your cell phone or one or two credit cards, it just doesn't work for everyday use. So I decided to get the bigger size so that I can fit a ton more stuff, and I'm happy with this decision. Now let's get into the design of this bag. I absolutely love it. It's so sleek, so stylish. I love the chevron print, the quilted feel of it. It's super thick, high quality. You can also fit a ton in this bag, and I'm actually using it right now, and I still have a lot more space. It has a credit card holder, and then it also has a slot on the back. My favorite thing about this bag though is the hardware. It's just so sleek and black and dark. The chain is also heavy. Sometimes with bags, you'll get a flimsy handle and it's like falling off your shoulder, falling off. This is not going to fall off. It's super high quality and durable. It's going to stay on your shoulder all day, I promise. The only two small downside things that I would say is that this is very heavy. If you wear it for a long time, it will start to weigh a bit on your shoulders. So on one end, it is really great that the bag is heavy and it's durable and it's not falling off. But if you wear it for a long time, like you're shopping, it does wear on your shoulder a bit. And then I have a pinch of wear and tear here. Sometimes I can be a bit tough on my bag, so it may have been me, but it's a little bit of color fading there. But other than that, I absolutely love this bag. I do not regret purchasing it. It's my favorite purse ever. Love it. So I absolutely love this bag. I bought it last August and I wear it all the time. It is my go-to black bag. I wear it on date night. I wear it to work and meetings, out with my kids. As you can see, I am literally wearing it right now. And it's only $300, which you cannot beat. There's so many black bags that you can end up spending thousands on, but this is great, pretty affordable, and you will have it for a very long time. So if you purchase this bag, definitely let me know in the comments, and then also tag me on Instagram. Bye.